Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I'm going to make a breakfast recipe. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot today. Butter biscuit with ham and cheese. Let's get to the ingredients. Baking powder, buttermilk, diced ham, granulated sugar, butter, buttermilk, shredded cheddar cheese, and of course, the flour. Now let's make the butter biscuits. Take the flour here, add the baking powder, the sugar, and we mix this up. Now this butter here, I'm going to put it in the microwave and melt it. Now, this is what we're going to do now. We're going to add a little buttermilk at a time and mix everything. It must be a wet consistency, a wet, sticky consistency. If it's too dry, add a little bit more buttermilk. Now we add the diced ham to the mixture. The shredded cheese, and we fold this in. Now we pour the melted butter into the baking dish. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. And I would like everyone to please subscribe, like, share, comment, and also don't forget to ring the notification bell. So that way you will be notified when a new video is coming out. Now let's move on to making the butter biscuit. Now you take the biscuit mixture and you put it in the baking dish. And you spread everything out evenly. Now, this is what we do. We take a knife and we run it through the dough and we cut it to make 6 biscuits. By doing this, it makes it easy to take it out of the pan. Now we're going to put it in the oven and let it bake for 25 to 30 minutes. It depends on your oven. Keep checking it. And if it cooks too fast, brown on the top, Get some aluminum foil and make a tent over the top of the biscuit. Here you have it, butter biscuit with ham and cheese. Enjoy. You can serve this for breakfast or brunch, and you can make eggs on the side with it, whatever you choose to make with it. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.